Check out this 2007 Ford Focus. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. Let the outside in with a power convertible roof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power windows, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an alarm system, power steering, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, independent suspension. Call today to schedule a test drive.